और बेटा आज रिजल्ट निकलने वाले थे ना, कैसा हुआ बताओ बताओ।
सारा दिन मोबाइल में बैठा रहता है, पढ़ाई तो करनी ही नहीं है तुम्हें।
ये क्या पढ़ाई हुई, ये करने भेजा था ट्यूशन।
Not using your full potential.
नंबर दोगे तब तो पढ़ाई होगी, ट्यूशन के नाम पे घूमने जाते हो क्या?
स्कूल का टेंशन, सबका अटेंशन, दोस्त हो या अंकल करते हैं मेंशन। कैन डू बेटर, कैन डू बेटर, कैन डू बेटर, कैन डू बेटर, कैन डू बेटर सब बोलते हैं, फ्री में तो मुंह अपना सब खोलते हैं। दुनिया तो कहती है आगे बढ़ो, पर कैसे करें ये सब सोचते हैं। पढ़ता ही रहता था मैं आंख अपनी खोल के, और याद करता था चीजों को 10 बार बोल के। नकली सी किताबें जिसने ज्ञान सारा छोड़ के सिखाया मुझको आगे बढ़ना, असलियत को मोड़ के। आजा मिलके मचाते हैं, आजा तुझको पढ़ाते हैं, कुछ करके दिखाते हैं, आजा मिलके मचाते हैं। बस पढ़ना नहीं, 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 समझना भी है, सिर्फ समझना नहीं बरतना भी है। पढ़ने का मतलब सिर्फ रटना नहीं, रटे बिना मार्क्स लाना भी है। विल डू बेटर अब करते हैं, सारी जिम्मेदारी हम लेते हैं, सिर्फ बेटर नहीं अब बनोगे बेस्ट, फुल गारंटी हम देते हैं। आजा मिलके मचाते हैं, आजा तुझको पढ़ाते हैं, कुछ करके दिखाते हैं, आजा मिलके मचाते हैं, आजा मिलके मचाते हैं, आजा तुझको पढ़ाते हैं, कुछ करके दिखाते हैं, आजा मिलके मचाते हैं।
तब तो पढ़ाई होगी, ट्यूशन के नाम पे घूमने जाते हो क्या?
Hey guys, hello everyone, my Kitine Army, a very warm welcome to your today's amazing chemistry session, and we are gonna start the last chapter of class 9th chemistry, that is structure of atom. Iske baad we would be revising the entire syllabus with lots of Menti questions and MCQ series, yay, for both your term 1 and term 2. So because for that you have to subscribe to the channel, yeah. So let's get started. This is the introductory session to this chapter, where we will be discussing the just simple importance of this chapter for your higher grades as well as for this year. Okay, so this will be asked in term 2 basically. So we are already done with the entire syllabus for term 1. If in case you have missed the sessions, you can go to the playlist, check it out, and you can watch the replay of the sessions, right? And also in this session I will be telling you about the syllabus comparison from the last year. Okay, Chalo, so I guess we all can start the structure of atom, and the name is telling you structure of atom. How exactly an atom looks like. Yes, if I want to go on a microscopic level, is it possible to divide atom further to any other particle? So before that, this is the syllabus before reduction. You all can see that in the particle nature and their basic units, it's about the atoms and molecules. We are done with it. This structure of atom, electrons, protons and neutrons, we will see their discovery and all the like models that were given. Then we are having valency, chemical formula of common compounds, isotopes and isobars. This is the syllabus given in the last year. Okay, but now if I see the syllabus of this year, then after reduction still it is the same. Okay, so models, some students were saying that ma'am kya atomic models aayenge, Thomson's model of atom, Rutherford, that is not separately mentioned here, but we have to just assume that it comes under electrons, protons and neutrons only. Okay, so we will study their discovery and the different models that were proposed to explain the structure of atom. Just we would be discussing all that is Thomson's model of atom, Rutherford's scattering experiment, then Bohr's atomic model, all of that. Apart from that, valency you have done in the last chapter, as well as here we would be doing chemical formula of common compounds. We've already covered this in atoms and molecules. and isotopes and isomers. Ready? I guess we all can start this. These are the topics that are to be discovered in the entire chapter. Okay, and this is the evaluation scheme. So in term 1, your chapter number 2 would be coming. ठीक है, कौन सा है वो chapter? You know that. Is matter around us pure? And do not leave the separation techniques also. I have covered all the separation techniques in the YouTube sessions, right? So if you want to cover them, then again you can watch the replay. And in the term 2, chapter 3 and 4 would be asked. So matter in our surroundings is removed from the syllabus. You know that, and you are not very happy, isn't it? Okay, so chapter 3 and 4 में atoms and molecule structure of atom पूरा we will be doing. Okay, we won't miss anything, and they would be asked for like around 18 marks. So I can see that every chapter is roughly going to come around 9 marks. Apart from that, 10 marks for the internal assessment. So school mein whatever project you are getting, all the periodic tests that your teacher would be conducted, you have to give them in a way that you are scoring good marks there. Okay, and focus on the practicals as well, because all these 3 things combined will only decide your internal assessment. That is equally important. So 8 to 10 marks, like around 9 marks mein this question can come for like 1 question for 1 marks, 3 markers aa sakte hain. Okay, then 2 marker aa sakta hai. So we have to be ready for that. So on YouTube, how we would be taking this session, so I will take 6 classes. Right, for this chapter, first one will be for the subatomic particle, in which we will discuss the discovery of electrons and protons and some basic information about the neutrons. Then I will tell you about the atomic models, Thomson's model, Bohr model, then Rutherford model, all that we will be discussing. Electronic configuration and valency, very important. This is a topic that will also help you in class 10th. Bohr-Bury rule we will understand here. Valency again I will tell you. So when you know how to write the configuration, then determination of valency becomes a lot easier, right? And then isotopes, isotope के applications क्या है in radio, like you know radiotherapy में, cancer treatment में there are a lot of applications. And what are isobars, what are isotones, ma'am will also tell you about that. Then after discussing this in 4 sessions, we will be having 5th session, 1 shot revision, and finally Menti. Then syllabus would be done. Yes, I guess you all are ready. So one important thing I want to tell all my students that so Vedantu always produces excellent results. Doesn't matter if they are in JEE NEET exam or that is related to the board exam, Olympiad or NTSC. Yet again we have more than 120 selections this time. So it's like toppers ka naya address. So if you also want to prepare yourself for like you already have a plan that next year, ma'am, I will also be appearing in the NTSC, then you can join us now only, right? So in the regular sessions only. So if your 9th ka basics are clear, everything, every like entire syllabus you have done in a very vast manner and in a very like with full your honesty, you are completing each and everything, then you don't have to take stress for preparing for the NTSC exam. Yeah, for whenever you will go in 11th 12th, you are planning to take up the science, so you can join us for 1 month and complete your entire syllabus for both term 1 and term 2. So if you are already connected with us for 1 year, या फिर मतलब you want to take the enrollment till your term 2 comes. Okay, like ma'am, I wanna complete all my entire syllabus for up to term 2, then you also get a guarantee. Matlab, if you're not improving in your marks, if you see no improvement in the studies, then your fee would be returned back to you. ठीक है, पैसे वापस आपको मिल जाएंगे. That is the funda basically. Unlimited live classes with fun and high level quizzes. So जैसे you people always wait for live sessions, you don't like when the sessions are premiered. So just keeping the same note in mind, we have all the classes live so that you can interact with the teacher. You can ask all your live class doubts during the session only, and you can get some high level quizzes. That is the best part. And compete with the students throughout the world. That is also awesome, because Vedantu mein it's not just students are only from India. India mein to they are already registered from different parts of the country, but also from outside India we are having students. So you get to compete with all of them. You get to know your rank there. Yeah, and you are preparing in such a way that you improve with each and every session that you're going to take. And interactive replays are available. If in case aap miss karte ho koi class, you can again go back and watch the replay. Plus you can still play the quizzes, you can attend the classes. That's awesome, along with leaderboards and your individual rank performance. Aapne kitna improve kiya hai from the last year, all the stats would be done already, right? Premium downloadable handwritten notes are there. You don't have to go and purchase any other extra book. ठीक है, कुछ नहीं खरीदना पड़ेगा. You are already getting Vedantu Tattva books also, and आपको soft copies भी मिलती हैं if in case you are here for 1 month. So I will just advise you that if you have any sort of confusion, then you can go with 1 month first before taking a long commitment, and 1 month is more than enough, I believe. Okay, you can complete your entire syllabus along with so many assignments and unlimited micro courses and classes. Mein during the live sessions we have a team of class teachers plus master teacher is there to help you with the live doubt solving. And 9th class is as important as 10th, बल्कि मैं बोलूँगी ज़्यादा important है, because it is gonna make your base, right? So if things are not clear in 9th standard, तो 10th में students really get a very hard time. So you should not take any risk when it comes to your studies, and you can try that. Unlimited micro courses. So let's say you feel like attending micro courses for 10th class. Abhi se you're like, ma'am, I am done with my syllabus. Now I am ready. I want to see how class 10 topics are, on what basis we have to appear in them. Or if you have curiosity to attend those sessions, you can take their micro courses as well, and that too free of cost. है ना, अच्छी बात. And yes, क्रैश कोर्सेज आर देयर, रिविजन सेशंस मिलते हैं. इस टाइम पर क्रैश कोर्स मिड टर्म रिविजन इज अबाउट टू गेट स्टार्टेड. सो इफ यू टेक द एनरोलमेंट फॉर August month, August to September, you can be a part of crash course also. So many classes at such a less price you're getting, and the new batch is starting from 16th of August. You are from grade 9th or 10th, so if in case you are planning for 1 month, you can go with that. ठीक है, SKA Pro is the coupon code that you can apply there. So now ma'am is going to tell you how to go with that. ठीक है, कैसे करना है? Let's say this is the video which we are attending right now, so we will be liking the video. So go in the description box of the same video that you're watching right now. वहाँ पर जाकर there is a code get 10% off. We will be tapping on there. यहाँ से class 9th, then select your target exam. देखो, grade 9 CBSE. If for ICSE, you can tap on there as well. Okay, and you have plenty of options to choose from. So these are the 3 plans. So since you are in 9th standard and you people come on YouTube regularly, so I believe that you people are regular students when it comes to studies. So you can simply go with the light subscription for a month. That's it. Around 2070 rupees you have to give after applying the coupon code. ठीक है, ये भी आप कर सकते हो. यहाँ से देखो, if you remove the coupon code, then you have to pay more. Otherwise, SKA Pro करने से you would be getting 10% off, right? Then you have to pay 2070 rupees, and this all is for English, social studies, science, and mathematics. All the subjects you are getting, right? So you can just go with that subscription. You get all these features, live interactive online classes, test series आपको मिलती है. You're getting assignments and notes. You are getting doubt solving during the live sessions. Okay, so if you want doubt solving on the mobile application, तो आप classic में जा सकते हो. Otherwise, no need of it. You can simply go with this also. इसमें you have to pay 800 rupees extra. Around not 800. You can say around like 700. And this one is plus subscription. This is for those students who also want a personal mentor. 1-to-1 sessions chahiye. You want to personally discuss assignment with the teachers. Okay, you want to personally interact with them. You are having some phobia from exam. Your confidence is getting low. So you want real time, support. Then personal mentor wala package is there. Otherwise, light subscription 1 month is more than enough. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है खराब है. you're getting everything there. So students majorly they go with this subscription. Okay, that's very simple. So now let's talk about atomy. Idea kahan se aaya? So in the last chapter we have already discussed Dalton's atomic theory. So Dalton ने एक बात बोली थी, if you remember it. He gave a postulate which was based on law of conservation of mass, जिसमें he stated that atom is indivisible, which cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. ये postulate था which was based on law of conservation of mass. So atoms cannot be created or destroyed in a reaction. बिल्कुल सही बात है. But the fact that atom is indivisible was a very big statement in itself to give. And Dalton is like, it's too late now. So is atom really indivisible? You know, people believed this for around 80-90 years. Uske baad people also started questioning it. Have you ever thought about the charged particles? Definitely. How electricity kaise produce hota hai? If atoms are neutral in nature, how that thunderstorm mein electricity is coming out? है ना? So don't you think so there is something related to the charged particles there? There's something related to ions there. And ions kya hai? Charged particle, but an atom is neutral. In the same way, you can do this activity at your home also. You can take, you can just simply, एक काम करे घर पे इससे कर लो comb से. You have a comb, ठीक है? So just comb your dry hair once and then take some small paper की balls. So when you are using this comb to just comb your dry hair, then you bring those paper balls closer to the comb. Then what will happen? These paper balls will stick to the comb. I don't know how many of you have done. किसी ने किया है तो मुझे बताना comment section में, ठीक है? So what happens? These paper balls will stick to the comb. So you know, people were confused. People were like, how is this attraction happening? So we know that atom is neutral. So comb is also having lots of neutral atoms. These paper balls are also having neutral atoms. But neutral atoms cannot attract or repel each other. So how is this paper sticking to the comb? Atoms में attraction कैसे हुआ? So the only funda that comes to our mind is that positive and negative attract each other. So it means that atoms of the comb have some positive charge and atoms of the paper ball are having some negative charge, or the other way around. But plus and minus, some ions are pakka there. So ऐसे कुछ phenomena थे, जैसे you can take simply, you take a glass rod, rub it with a nylon cloth, bring it closer to a balloon. Balloon क्या होगा? उसकी तरफ inflate हो जाएगा. It will be attracted towards the glass rod. So how is that attraction happening? So there are a lot of things that are telling us about the presence of static charges. So इसके बाद scientists ने ना सोचना शुरू किया, यार कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. मतलब atoms में there are पक्का some charged particles, negative or positive. So they got the idea from here, and you know that Sir J.J. Thomson took forward this idea first of all, and he discovered negatively charged particles inside an atom that were the electrons. Okay, so this major limitation of Dalton's atomic theory was that this did not account for existence of subatomic particles. And now though we have like electrons, protons, neutrons. I have a homework question for all of you. How many subatomic particles are known till this date? How many subatomic particles? Name 3 subatomic particles of an atom except for electrons, protons and neutrons. इसके अलावा क्या कोई और particles है inside the atom that you know about? I want the answers in the comment section, and next time we will be starting the first class. Okay, we will discuss the discovery of the electrons, protons and neutrons. And one more chotu sa information for you: if you people want to register for Megavolt Olympiad, then do it right now. It's absolutely free of cost. Okay, so Vedantu always keep on bringing lots of scholarship exams for you, and also lot of Olympiads test free of cost. So you can appear in this test on 14th of August at 3 p.m. and the registration link is given on the screen. So you have to type vdnt.in/megavolt5t and you can win Amazon vouchers up to rupees 17,500. मेरे लिए भी कुछ order कर देना, ठीक है? चलो. So now the next thing, what is the reason that you should be here appearing in the Volt exam? Because you get daily live interactive classes, home assignments to master free of cost. Revise your concept 24/7 with recorded live lectures of your favorite master teachers, and obviously there's so many things and rewards. So you have to go and register for there. देख लो, link is given here and also in the description box you will get the link. And again reminding you, if you are planning for 1 month subscription, go without any doubt. Yes, so you have to believe in us because there are lots of students who are already getting benefited out of it. Yeah, 16th August new batch is getting started. Coupon code is SKAPRO. And if in case you have any doubt, you can reach out to me on Instagram. Ma'am will see you next time. Till then, take care and bye bye.